Hi everyone, it's Lucy Kate and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do another makeup transformation / challenge kind of video, just to kind of mix up my content. So the last time I did the cold girl makeup video, and next I'm gonna do a makeup look that I've wanted to try for a while now, which is like a 90s grunge kind of themed makeup. Definitely hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. I upload makeup videos, commentary videos, basically any kind of niche there is, I'm pretty much doing. And also go check out my Instagram. I upload lots of reels and makeup selfies on there. It is at It's the Lucy Kate. I mean, like the 90s or / Y2K makeup or fashion trends have kind of been happening since the pandemic. I think even inside the whole 90s scope, 90s makeup, there's so many different types of makeup. I know many influencers and models have been doing the bleached brows look, and I was planning on doing a bleached brows look today, obviously not actually bleaching them but putting concealer on them. But instead I'm gonna go for, I'll put up some inspo pics here. The vibe I'm going for is like a witch from The Craft, basically. So thin brows, dark eyes, dark lips. Hopefully it turns out successful. This is my first time trying it. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna do brows, and luckily I have bangs, so I can kind of hide my brows. My brows are pretty thick, if you can see. I already drew them earlier, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some concealer under my brows and on top of some to make them extra thin. I tried to make my eyebrows as thin as possible. This is how thin I managed to make them. So they are thinner than usual. I know they're not ultra thin. This side was kind of difficult, but they're thinner than usual. So yeah, that's what the brows look like. And the 90s makeup tends to be very matte looking. So the foundation I'm going to apply is the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. This keeps your skin super matte, which is exactly what we're looking for. So I'm going to apply this everywhere apart from my forehead, I think, and then I'll just conceal in spots where I feel needs concealing. And then after that we will powder up the face using the e.l.f. Prime and Stay finishing powder in the shade Fair and Light. I've practically used up nearly all of this, but this is the powder I use every day. So that is what we're going to do for base makeup. Okay, so I did my base makeup, it's complete, and I was planning on doing contouring, but now I'm thinking about it, I think I want to just keep my look looking nice and pale. So I don't know if I'm going to do contouring yet, so I'm just going to do eyeshadow first. The inspo pictures that I picked up, the top eyelids tend to be a smoky look, and then the bottom is really heavy eyeliner. So I found the perfect palette for this. And it's a palette that I haven't used in 2 or 3 years. So this is the BH Cosmetics Love in London palette. They've actually discontinued this one. And obviously, London is where the punk rock scene was at and even though the grunge looks was kind of more like Seattle, I still think this is the perfect palette to create a grungy rock and roll look. So if you look, it has 16 shades inside. and the shades are perfect. And this palette even has a mirror. I love their old travel series palettes. They look way better, the packaging, to be honest. But anyways, the colors are perfect. This is exactly the vibe I'm going for. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply Prestige on the top of my eyelids, and then I'm gonna apply Posh really lightly and then smudge it out like this black, and then put it all underneath my eyes as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this palette. This is what the eyeshadow looks like. Low-key looking like a raccoon slash panda here. I kind of feel like 90s grunge makeup is like scruffy, like it's not perfectly blended. So yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. So I just put like the gray shimmer and then smudged out the black eyeshadow. So I might add some more later, like change it, but this is what we're gonna go with for now. And I'm just gonna put on some mascara. This is the mascara I've been using recently. It's the Wet n Wild Big Popper Mascara.
I really feel that I'm losing my best friend. I can't believe this could be the end. It looks as though you're letting go, and if it's real, I don't want to know.
I applied the mascara, and I think with the mascara the eye look looks better. So some of the inspo pics I had like a beauty spot, like a mole. Kind of reminds me of the craft. I'm gonna put one beauty spot or mole here using my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. After that, we will move on to the lips. Okay, so I put on the beauty mark, and I don't know, it didn't really turn out how I wanted it to, so I might take this off after I put on lipstick. Yeah, I'm taking this off. I'm sorry, I'm removing this. This looks so weird, so never mind. Let's forget that I even did this. Yeah, we're just gonna remove that off because I already have freckles, so I decided not to. We're gonna move on to lipstick. Ideally, I wanted to have like a black lip liner, like a really dark lip liner. Unfortunately, I don't. But what I do have is the perfect grunge lip tone. I did use this a couple months back on my chit-chat Get Ready With Me, where I did my like OG grungy look. But the name itself says it all, but it's the grunge shade in the Lippie Stix format. I don't know if they sell this shade anymore. If they don't, I'm gonna be super sad, because this was my go-to lip shade back in the day when I used to do grungy Tumblr grunge-ish makeup. It is the perfect shade, you guys, and low-key smelling bad because it's pretty old, but we're gonna use it for the video. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my lips. So I just applied my lipstick and I applied this cross choker onto me, and this is my makeup. It's complete. Let's remove the fringe and see what I look like. Let's remove the bangs. As you can see, my eyebrows are pretty thin. They're thinner than usual. And this is my makeup. I'm not sure if it's like perfectly 90s grunge makeup. This is just my version of it. But it's definitely darker to what I usually do nowadays. Nowadays, I play it pretty safe when it comes to lipstick. So whenever I apply this kind of like grungy tone, it just makes me feel like I'm a teenager again. Like I feel like when I was a teenager, I'd walk out with this lip color. Nowadays, I feel kind of shy to like walk out with a dark lip color, but I really dig this look. So I'm gonna go and take lots and lots of selfies with this. So yeah, this is my 90s dark grunge-ish makeup, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like me to do any other makeup looks in the future, please comment down any requests you have, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!